Hey guys, welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If it's not, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you my favorite cleaning items that I did this year, and some for like a very long time, and some that I'm just like canceling and just not using anymore. What does this scarf look like on my head? I'm like, in the mirror I thought it was like okay, but now I'm looking at it and I'm like, I don't know what this looks like. I think we're just gonna go with it. So, disclaimer, I do not only use natural things in my home, but what I will say is that I have gone back, started like pushing out the unnatural things, because one night it just hit me. I went to bed and I smelled like the strong chemical smell, and it was like burning my nose, and I was like, if this is burning my nose, like what is it doing to my children? I was like, I have to get better, I have to figure this out. Anyway, so I'm going to show you my favorite cleaning items that I have. Also, I know like some people, I've seen like videos and like people like, they're like, oh my gosh, I love to clean and da da da. I don't love to clean, but having a clean home makes me happy and have peace, so I clean because of that. I'm not one of those women that jump out of bed like, I get to clean my house today. That's not me, but I do find it more enjoyable when I have items that I like to use. So without further ado, here we go. And we're in my kitchen. We're always in my kitchen. The heck was that? Oh my, there she go. Okay, number one. I'm gonna start off with, okay, so you're gonna see a whole array of items here. All right, I cannot share the light with these items, and then you cannot see this melanin. Okay, there you go. So number one, well, as you can see, I use a lot of Method cleaners. Method cleaners have been my favorite. I've gone back and forth with Method through the years. This is actually the Method Anti-Bac, and I use this when I do not spot cleaning, like when I do like the twice a day cleaning, sink and counters, and of course most Method things smell good, but this one is it's like stronger smelling. It's not going to burn your nose, but it is stronger smelling than your regular Method items. You can't see my unicorn, but that's okay because I think that thing was just way too much. Okay, so why did I call it a unicorn? Anyway, another item that's my favorite. No, seriously, I love this stuff. Like, I cannot stop talking about it. I have the candle and I went to get it, but it's in my bathroom. I'm not gonna go get it. But Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle. It's summertime right now. I don't know when you're watching this video, but if you're watching it in the winter, Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle will probably not be available. But you know how you're like reading a book, right? And it's like the best book ever, and you don't want it to end, so you stop reading it. This is Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle for me. So basically I have like half of this left, so what I've been doing is putting it away and then going back and picking up another sip because this stuff is so good. Thumbnail. Anyway, yeah, but no, seriously, the smell like takes me away to a peaceful place. If my children are like calling my name, mommy, 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 I just go, oh my gosh, see, I'm almost out, and I just go and I just wash dishes. And me and the honeysuckle, we have great experiences together. Yeah, I'm not weird, I just love it. So that's, out of all this stuff, this is my favorite at the moment. Oh, seriously, I really do love it. And besides that, Mrs. Meyer's is natural and all that good stuff. It says it's a pleasant scent, so I like it a lot. Okay, this stuff, Method Heavy Duty Greaser. I use this on my oven, my stovetop. That's it. Don't smell good. I'm not gonna sit here and say it smells so good because it doesn't. But it's Mrs. Meyer's and it's natural and it's not as strong as many oven cleaners would be, or stovetop cleaners. So that's what I use it for. I use it for my Method. This is the apple, right? Yes, Honeycrisp apple is almost gone because this is also a favorite of mine. So I'll go between this one and the honeysuckle. But like I said, honeysuckle is bae right now. So honeysuckle. See, Honeycrisp. I actually have another one of these. I'm almost done with this one. I use it all. But anyway, Honeycrisp smells so good. Also, it gives you like that autumn type smell, feel, blah 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 blah. Method glass surface cleaner. I love the smell of mint, so I use this on glass cleaners. My TV stand is glass and I use it for that because I love it so much. Anyway, yeah, so I like this. It would replace a Windex basically, or a vinegar type thing, so I do like that. Pledge multi-surface. Actually, I was using Pledge multi-surface, but then I went to the Method, and it basically serves the same purpose, but my TV stand is very dusty, so there we go. So I've noticed that, and this one is actually antibacterial, which is why I bought it. Also, my kids are always on my TV stand, so I usually try to spray that down like every other day with this and wipe it off. Okay, another one of my favorite things, this stuff is Method surface cleaner. Just cleans my counters if I want to wipe down like these things up here. This one is lime sea salt. This scent right here reminds me of it has a manly smell, but not a bad manly smell, like a good manly smell, like a man that just got out of the shower but didn't use too much soap. You know what I mean? I don't know, but that's what this comes across. That's what this smells like to me. Not one of my favorites, but like I said, I'm trying to preserve Mrs. Myers, so I've been kind of going in between the two. Mrs. Myers is for when I just need like a pick-me-up emotionally, and I just need to be away with my feelings and need to have some me time and pray at the sink. I just spray that Mrs. Myers and I just go ahead and get to praying and cleaning my dishes. Seriously, yeah, I like it that much. Okay, another Mrs. Myers. This one bottle's kind of messed up. I've been in and out. Actually, I bought this one first, and then I went back, I believe, and bought the honeysuckle, and then I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so anyway, this one smells very good. I actually have the soap to this one too. Not my favorite scent, but Mrs. Myers is Mrs. Myers, and I know I usually always find them on sale at Target. Next one might not be a very popular one, but let me tell you why this is one of my favorite things to clean with. My grandmother used to use it. The smell, every time I use it, I think about my grandmother's house. And like I use this about twice a year, and I use it if there is like a stomach bug that crept into my house, because I did not use it twice a year. It's very strong smelling. It is the Lysol concentrate. This stuff stinks. It does not smell good at all. My husband hates it, but I only use it twice a year, or if someone gets sick. And I'm not talking about like sick, I'm talking about sick. So what I do is I'll use this stuff here. Open windows, if you do decide to buy this and use it, open up your windows, make sure your children aren't home to use it. I actually can honestly say I have not even used it once this year yet, because my babies are little. They're 15 months old, but my grandmother used it. It smells like medicine. Like it even like has like the cat like brain cells. My mother, let me tell you, I used to clean every Saturday, and if you were born around the time that I was born, we used pine sol, bleach, and ammonia. Like, how many brain cells have we like burned out using pine sol, bleach, and ammonia? Think about it. Back to my video that's about to be done. Febreze, love Febreze, no brainer. I don't spray it all the time. I've been using the honeysuckle. It's better for the environment, better for my children. If my children are around, I will not spray this. I usually will spray this at nighttime or first thing in the morning before anyone's awake, if I need it, or it's in my bathroom, you know, for my boys, because you know. Murphy's oil soap we use for our wood table. Wooden, is it? Of course it's wood. Our wood table, so the chemicals and, well, all this stuff doesn't strip it and stuff like that. So this is what we use. We're actually pretty much almost out. And something I'm going to be retiring out of my home, but I really loved it and it served its purpose. And no, like, I'm not going to talk bad about it. I just feel like Fabuloso. Now I like the purple is like the staple. I used to live in I come from New York. I used to live in New York, and I used to live around a bunch of like Hispanics, and Hispanic people wash their clothes with this most of the time. Where I grew up, they put it in their clothes, and that's how I learned about Fabuloso. It smells so good. The lavender smells really, really good. Most people use it for their homes now. I just felt like it's just very perfumey, and I just feel like it's just not good for my kids, especially them being so little. So I'm gonna miss Fabuloso, and if you don't hold me to this, like, you might see it again later on, but it smells very good. I used to like put it in a pot with water and boil it. Like the smell, the lavender, not this one. But yeah, so this is my thing that I'm favorite, but I'm giving up. I'm not gonna be taking it further with me. Like, I won't be buying it anymore. I'm gonna miss you, Fabuloso. But yeah, those are my favorite cleaning items that I use to clean my home. But if you're still here, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not, I wish you were. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. And yeah, tell me what this little thing on my head looked like. Like, was it too much? Was it crazy? It didn't even show much in the video, so that's great. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.